Hey, I'm back with another video. Today I'm be making my version of keto coleslaw. And the ingredients I'm going to be using is apple cider vinegar, mayo, mustard, a whole onion, salt, black pepper, and cayenne pepper, and swerve. And the name is it's going to be a sweet and spicy. Oh yeah, I forgot all about the cabbage. That's the main ingredient. The cabbage. It's going to be a sweet and spicy coleslaw. My version. Okay. I'm gonna put the cabbage right there. First of all, I got to measure out. I'm gonna measure out 2 cups of mayo and a cup of mustard and 3 teaspoons of vinegar, cayenne pepper. All depends on my taste, how spicy I want it to be. And we're gonna go from there. And I'm gonna start with a 1/2 cup of swerve first. In place of honey, I'm gonna use the swerve. And no, in place of sugar, I'm gonna use the swerve. I'm gonna use my little gadget I got. I'm going to weigh this stuff out instead of using measuring cups. Use a cup of mustard. First I'm going to start off with a 1/2 cup and see how I like the color of it. Alright, this 1 cup. 1/2 cup that is. I'm going to mix it together. Let me see how it looks. Yeah, that look good. And then I'm going to add, let me move this out the way. I'm going to start with a 1/2 cup of swerve. I'm going to use my measuring cup on this one. Okay. And remember, it's called for it's a sweet and spicy one. You know, I said I'm going to use a 1/2, but sometimes the swerve is more sweeter. So let me just stir this in. And I'm going to have to taste it. Let me see. I need some more. So a whole cup, a whole 1/2 cup. I might need some more. Let me taste it again. This is gonna be a quick video. Let's get in there. But you know what? Let me add my 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. My cayenne pepper. I'm going to start off with a 1/2 teaspoon first. I like it spicy. Okay. And it says salt and pepper to your own taste. Use my pink Himalayan salt. That should be enough. And some black pepper. I'm talking about some brown pepper. Ain't that some mess? All to your taste. Alright, let me stir this up and see how this is going to taste. I got a lot of cabbage. Oh yeah, and I got this cabbage right here to use for my coleslaw. But it just has too many carrots in it. So I decided not to use it. So I had to shred up my own cabbage. Oh, every time I cook, my mouth be watering. Let's see. Let me taste it. I think it needed some more sweetener to it. Y'all can use your own. Y'all can use regular sugar, whatever sweetener you want in it. I'm gonna say that's 1 3/4 cups. So far that I put up in it. Taste it one more time. Yeah, that's it. Making a mess. Let me move this out my way. I forgot to get my gloves because I'm going to mix this up with my hand. Okay, so here's my cabbage. And to the cabbage, you're going to add a whole onion. And just mix it together. And I got this one right here. I got that. Add this to it. I'm going to have to do this in batches. This little bowl right here. So then I must put the coleslaw sauce over top of it. Then I'm going to use my hands to mix it up. I'm going to put some gloves on. Try to get every piece of it coated. It has to marinate overnight. And I'm going to come back and try it. Okay, this is the results of my sweet and spicy, keto sweet and spicy coleslaw. Let me show y'all how it looks. I'm going to plate a little bit. I don't know why every time I fix my food, my mouth be watering. And of course, I'm going to give it a taste. Which I already know. Got a little kick to it. And that's how I like it. So this is the end of the video. Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thank you for watching, y'all.